Just a quick video to discuss how I was able to install the cab with just a little help from my wife. Normally this cozy cab, soft-sided one, sits right on here on this little cart, okay? And to get it onto the tractors, it's kind of unwieldy. It flexes in different directions. It's really hard for two people. So this time I had this like Harbor Freight Deere, basically a deer gutting lift. And so how ironic is that, right? And so I put some straps through the top and then used that sort of like a coat hanger looking part of the hoist to hold those two straps, to lift the straps. And that was perfect. And then instead of having to fiddle with the rope, I just wrapped it around about 5 or 6 times around the snowblower auger here, and then just used a clamp, just friction. There's no knots. All I did was clamp it, and there's enough friction it wouldn't slide. And then pulling this heavy snowblower with the weights on it, I was able to just drag it into position, just pulled it away from the hoist, and it raised the cab. And so my wife helped me. I just controlled the tractor with the transmission lever and just slowly backed it up. I was controlling one side of the cab and she was controlling the other, and we just had to lift it up and over the windshield and such, up and over the steering wheel, and then just drop it back down. And there we go. Now I just have to bolt it on. So nothing fancy. It worked pretty well. I had all this stuff laying around. I didn't have to buy anything.